All right, guys, can we start the session? Am I audible to all of you? Can you just confirm me whether the voice is loud and clear? Okay, all right. Okay, guys, so we will continue our discussion. I think it's been around 10 days. It's been around 2 weeks, right? Since we met last time, I think we met on the last Thursday, right? So anyway, I'm happy that out of 191 are present today, right? So that is actually a good number. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have done with the test. I have shared 3 tests, 1 CSAT and 2 GS. So all those things are going on. So there is no problem. That revision part and everything is going on smooth. What I'll do today is actually one of you have asked a question from last year's CSAT paper. So I thought of discussing about that because there are different dimensions which have covered. In fact, I wanted to start CSAT. I think I've given only 1 session for CSAT, 1 or 2 session, right? That AB equal to C, that thing we have discussed, and some of the questions related to LCM, HCF and all we have discussed. Those are basics. Yeah, one more we have discussed, that is clock, calendar, and the direction-based questions. So these are the 3 sessions that we have done. So guys, this was the question, 3 raised to 2019 divided by 10, right? So remainder was what they have asked. So this was the question, and I'll discuss this question, and I'll also take up some discussion based on that particular question, because I'm expecting, similar kind of question. If in case if you are getting it, you can solve it easily. If not in this exam, any other exam if you're taking, that will actually help you. So I'll anyway discuss about that. So this was the question. I hope you might have seen this question, 3 raised to 2019 divided by 10, and what is the remainder? So this is the question which is actually asked. Now, I want to clarify 2-3 things to you. Guys, if it is 3 raised to 2019 divided by 10, it is something like you take it as a remainder question, because that's how exactly they have asked. Okay, or some of you may consider it as a divisibility rule based question also, divisibility of 10 based question. But I will consider this as a last digit question. Guys, this question, the same question, I can ask you in this way, last digit of this number, 3 raised to 2019. The answer for both are same. 3 raised to 2019 divided by 10 remainder is what? Or last digit of this number is also same. Why? Because you are dividing by 10, right? See, let's say this number is like this, something like ending in 3 or 7 or something like that. Okay, I don't know, whatever it is. It is ending like that. Divided by 10, what is the remainder you are going to get? You will be getting the last digit only. If it is ending in 0, there is no remainder, because that is the multiple of 10. Every other number, that is a remainder. Divided by 10, remainder is nothing but last digit. So this is very important, guys. Next time they can ask you like this, last digit of this number. Number divided by 10 remainder and last digit of the number is actually same. Okay. Now, what if the question is something like this now? Now, next year, if suppose they're asking like this, 3 raised to 2019 divided by 100, what is the remainder? This is going to be a slightly difficult question, but I have everything which is going to make it very easy. We will be discussing this also. It is nothing but last 2 digits. So how you see this? This is last 2 digits, right? Because divided by 100, the remainder means what is a multiple of 100? Last 2 digits must be 0. So any number which is going like this, if the last 2 digits is ending in 0, 100, 200, 300, 11,000, 13,000, 13 crore, 14 crore, whatever, if it is, last 2 digits are 0 means when you divide by 100, there is no remainder. Let's say last 2 digits is, let's say 51. Then what will happen when you divide by 100? You will get 51. So divide by 10, remainder is last digit. Just keep in mind, because most of you don't have maths background. I know that, and you don't want to worry about these questions. We will do it in a fantastic way. You will not face any problem here. Divided by 10, remainder is last digit. Divided by 100, remainder is last 2 digits. They're not going to ask you at CSAT level anyway. Divided by 100, that is going to be last 3 digits, which is going to be slightly difficult also. So in this session, what I'll do is I'll discuss all the possibilities in which you can find any question, be it any question, how you're going to find the last digit. Same way, I'll discuss this also. Let's first complete the last digit. Last 2 digits is going to be very easy after that. Otherwise, last 2 digits is very difficult. But once we're done with the last digit things, then this is going to be very easy. Now, one more thing, guys. Now, this is again very important. If you need to find the last digit, you just need to have this digit, the number. Okay, similarly, what does that mean? If you're getting a question like this, instead of, what is asked is 3 raised to 2019. I want to find the last digit. Now forget about divide by 100 and remainder and everything. Divided by 10, remainder is last digit for me. So 3 raised to 2019, last digit. 13 raised to 2019, last digit. 113 raised to 2019, last digit. 1123 raised to 2019, last digit. Or all these number divided by 10 remainders are all same. Why? Because to find the last digit, you just need this number, the last digit of this number. Forget about the power. Power is different, right? So you don't worry about the power. What is this is what we need. This and the power. We are not concerned about this to find the second digit. We don't want to find the last digit. It is not required. This is not required. So 1111333373 raised to 2019. If they're asking you last digit, what is the answer? It is same as that of last digit of 3 raised to 2019. Or if they're asking you this big number divided by 10, what is the remainder, which is nothing but the last digit only, is the same as that of 3 raised to 2019 divided by 10. What is the remainder? My point here is very, very clear. To find the last digit, you don't want this. You can completely ignore this. I just need to take this only. So let's proceed with how you're going to get the last digits of any number. I'm talking about any number, be it any number that they're going to give you, you're going to find it. But remember this, if number is ending in 0, last digit will be always 0. It doesn't matter whatever is the power, 0 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I don't care whether it is 0 or 1000 or 1100 or whatever it is, because this is not useful for me. Okay. Similarly, 1 raised to anything. If the last digit is 1, whatever be the power, 1000 or 2000 or 3000 or 4000 or 5000 or 6000, whatever be the power, this number is going to end in 1. So power, it doesn't matter, whatever be the power. Similarly, even if it is 121 or 1121 or 31121, we don't care because this is not required for us. We only look for last digit. Whatever be the power, this is going to end in 1. Perfect. Similarly, 5. 5 raised to any power. Okay. 5 raised to 25, 5 raised to 30, 5 raised to 50, 5 raised to 1000, 5 raised to 1 million. It is going to end in 5 always. Obviously, they are not going to ask you this. Now, 5 means it can be 125. Still, it is going to end. 125 raised to any power, it is going to end in 5. Why? Because we don't care this. Or instead of 125, 1125, still it is the same. 11125, still it is. We don't care this. We don't care this. We take only the last digit. And we don't care the power also. Whatever be the power, it is the same. Okay. Now, similarly, one more. 6 raised to anything. 6 raised to 2, 6 raised to 3, 6 raised to 4, 6 raised to 500 or 1000 or whatever it is going to end in 6. This much is clear. But one thing I'll tell you, they're not going to ask this. So you're not going to get questions based on these numbers. Now, what are the possibilities? You'll get only 6 cases. Out of that also, they will not ask you 2 more cases. That is 4 and 9. I'll tell you the reason why they won't ask you 4 and 9. So technically, you are going to get questions which is going to be based on 3, 2, 7, 8. So we need to see this. They will not ask you 0 because answer is 0. 1, they won't ask you, answer is 1. 5, they won't ask you, answer is 5. 6, they won't ask you, answer is 6. 4, there is only 2 possibility. It's either 4 and 6. Similarly, 9, there is only 2 possibility. It's either 9 and 1. So here also, maybe CSAT, they will ask you, but normally they won't ask. So you're expecting only 4 questions, out of which what they have asked this time, they have asked 3. Now, if you can reduce at this level, now this is going to be very easy. Guys, I'll tell now what I need to do is I need to teach you how to find the last digit of this. Okay, so now let's suppose 2 raised to 2019 or 1 2 raised to 19. It is the same because I don't care this. Okay, so I'll teach you how you're going to find this. Similarly, 3, 7, 8, 4 and 9 also. Okay, now guys, there is when it comes to last 2 digits, I'll give you one more information. If a number is ending in 5, suppose they're asking you last 2 digits, your answer is going to be either 25 or 75 always. Your answer is always going to be 25 or 75. If the number is ending in 5 and they're asking you last 2 digits, you have only 2 possibilities, 25 or 75. So it's like this, 125 divided by, let's say, whatever it is, 100. Okay, 125 divided by 100, or 125 raised to 105 divided by 100. Okay, they're asking you the remainder. What is this? This question is nothing but last 2 digits. Why last 2 digits? This is divided by 100. What is the answer? Answer is going to be either 25 or 75. Now from this, which one I'll pick? In this question, it is easy for me because the answer is 25. That also I'll tell you the reason. 25 raised to anything is always going to be 25. Now, I don't know whether I'm making it complicated for those who are from non-math background. Let me tell you guys, 5, if it is ending, if it is last digit question, it is always 5. If it is last 2 digits question, it's always 25 or 75. If the number is ending in 5. Number is ending in 5 means what? It could be 35, it could be 45, it could be 55, etc. But if the number is ending in 25, whatever be the power, the answer is always 25. Now, I'll in my interview, I have written that there will be a column for achievements. So I was serial CAT topper. That means twice I was 100 percentiler in CAT, but I didn't join IIMs. So they have, one of the panel member, they have asked me, you are a CAT topper. Why can't you answer? Can you answer this question? 625 raised to 625. 625 raised to 625. Now, what does this mean? 625 multiply by 625, multiply by 625, multiply by 625. And how many times? 625 times you need to do it. Can a human do this? No. Can even a calculator do this? No. Can you even write the answer? No. So how can you tell the answer? So I said it is impossible, neither for me nor for you, to tell the answer for this question. Okay, then obviously he know that I will not be able to tell that, and he know if I'm a CAT topper, I will be able to tell this anyway. So what then he asked us, okay, no problem. Can you at least tell me what is the last 2 digits of this? You are going to get a number here, right? And what I've told is this number is going to be so huge, I cannot tell this. Okay, that number is so huge, we know that. Can you tell me what is going to be these last 2 digits of the answer? Now, can you tell this? Now, this is going to be very easy, right? This is 25 raised to any power. What is going to be your answer? Your answer is going to be 25. You said that, and it's over. I mean, it is clear, right? This is a very simple one. Now, instead, if he is asking 635 raised to 625, suppose instead of 625, he is asking 635 raised to 625. Now, will I be able to answer, give a clear-cut answer? I can give, but can I give this big number? Obviously, no. If he's asking you, can you tell the last 2 digits? Can I say conclusively? No, because 75 or 25. Out of this, I need to select. That based on certain tricks we can select. I'll be discussing after this. So I hope this is clear. So what we have discussed so far is number ending in 0, last digit is 0. Ending in 1, last digit is 1. Ending in 5, last digit is 5. Ending in 5, if the question is about last 2 digits, it's either 25 or 75. If it is last 2 digits. And if it is ending in 25, whatever be the power, it will be always 25. Just keep this in mind now itself. Number ending in 6, whatever be the power, this is going to be 6. Now, let's look into other numbers. Let me start with 2. Okay, now guys, there are only 4 possibilities. There are only 4 possibilities which can come as the last digit. What are they? Let's see the various powers of 2. Let's take 2 raised to 1. What is that? 2. What is 2 raised to 2? 4. 2 raised to 3, 4 into 2, 8. 2 raised to 4, 8 into 2, that is 16. Now 2 raised to 5 I need to take. You see here what is actually going to happen. 2 raised to 5, this is 16, 16 into 2. Instead you can do 6 into 2, right? Because last digit. I'm looking for last digit only. So 16 into 2, 32. So 2. I don't want to write 32 because I'm looking for last digit. Even here also I don't want to write 16. I can just write 6 because last digit is what I need. 2 raised to 6, this 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 raised to 7, 8. 2 raised to 8, 8 into 2, 6. Now it will repeat only, right? Can you see here? It is 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. Now if you take 9, 10, 11, 12, still it is going to be the same. 2 raised to 9 will be 2. 2 raised to 10 will be 4. 2 raised to 11 will be 8. 2 raised to 12 will be 6. So it is repeating like a cycle. 2, 4, 8, 6. 2, 4, 8, 6. What is your possibilities? There are only 4 possibilities, 2, 4, 8, 6. And this is what actually you're going to get in your options as well. These are the 4 options that they will make. Now, what I need to do is, let's say they're asking you about 2 raised to 51. What is the last digit? So I need to find where 2 raised to 51 will come. Will it come here, or will come here, or will it come here, or will it come here? For that, what I need to do is, guys, it is 2 raised to 51. It could be 1, 2 raised to 51, 1, 1, 2 raised to 51, 2, 1, 1, 2 raised to 51. It doesn't matter. I just take only last one digit, because the question is about divide by 10 remainder or last digit. I don't care this because answer for all will be same. Okay, so 2 raised to 51. Now what I need to do is, you have only 4 possibility. That means after every 4th power of 2, it will repeat. So this is what you call as power cycle. You don't want to remember these names. So after every 4th power, it will repeat. So you need to see 51 will fall under which of these. So for that, what you can do is take out the power 51. Divide by 4. What is this 4? This is a power cycle of 2. Okay. And see what is the remainder in this. Remainder is 3. 51 divided by 4. 48 is gone. 3 is the remainder. Now your answer is going to be 2. That means 3 is the remainder. So it will come here. So your answer is going to be 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 8. So 2 raised to 51 is similar to 2 raised to 3 in terms of last digit. Okay? Because what will happen if you continue doing like this? Here will come 2 raised to 48, because you can see this is multiple of 4. 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 So 2 raised to 48 is going to be 6. Then 2 raised to what? It will come 49, 50, 51. That is what? The third one. So 2 raised to 51 equal to 2 raised to 3. One more I'll give you. 2 raised to, or 1 2 raised to 86. 1 2 raised to 86. Does it matter this one? No. 2 raised to 86, 1 2 raised to 86, it is same. What is the question? Divide by 10 remainder, or last digit they can ask you. Same, both are same. So what I need to do here, I take out this power. What is that? 86. What I need to do? Divide this by 4. 84 is gone. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. What is your answer is going to be? 2 raised to this remainder, which is nothing but 4. That means where it will come? It will come here. How? It's like this. If you extend the series, 2 raised to 84 will come towards the end, and then 85, 86. 86 equal to 2 raised to 2. That's how you need to find it. I'll give you one more. Let's take 2 raised to 123. 123. What I need to do? Take out the power 123. Divide this by 4. What is the remainder? 120 is gone. Right? Even to divide by 4, you don't want this. That is a divisibility rule. You just need the last 2 digits only here also. So you just need to 123 dividing by 4 and 23 dividing by 4 is actually same. So I'm not making it complicated now. That I'll discuss in divisibility rules. So when you divide 123 by 4, you'll get 3 as a remainder. So 3 remainder means it will come here. So your answer is going to be 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to that remainder, 2 power that remainder. So answer is going to be 8. Easy. Okay. So one more question I'll give you. 1, 2, 3, 8, 2 raised to 2019. Let's make it as the same question. Divided by 10. What is the remainder? Guys, it is nothing but last digit. If you can understand this is the last digit, then there is no problem. If the question is asked like this, then there's going to be a very complicated question. If someone is telling you this is last digit, then this is not going to be important for me, because last digit, to find that, I just need the last digit of the number. So this is going to be 2 raised to 19. And divided by 10 remainder is actually last digit. We know that. So 2 raised to 19. Then what I need to do, I take 2 raised to 2019, which is the power, divide by 4. Even I don't want to divide it completely. If you need to divide it, you can do that. But I just need the last 2 digits only to divide this. That is a divisibility rule of 4. So what I am going to get is 3 here. Or you can divide it completely. Here you'll get 5, and that is not required anyway. 20 is gone. Then what is left out is 19 that you can divide, right? So 3 is the remainder. Once you get 3 as a remainder, answer is going to be 2 raised to 3, which is going to be 8. Clear? I know I'm going slightly faster because I need to cover this. And after that, we'll be doing 2 digits as well. So that's why. Now let's look into 3. 2 raised 3, okay? Before that, let's look into the possibilities of 3. Let's find the powers of 3. 3 raised to 1, it is 3. 3 square, it is 9. 3 cube, it is 27, but I'll write only 7. I need the last digit only. 3 raised to 4, 27 into 3, that is 81, but I just need only one last digit. Now it is going to repeat the same. Now guys, the question is, do you want to remember this 3971? Absolutely no, because once you get the remainder, let's say 3 raised to 3, you got it. Then you can easily calculate this. You don't, why you need to remember 3971? Okay, actually it is not required. Now what is going to be 3 raised to 5? 1 into 3, again 3. 3 raised to 6, 9. 3 raised to 7, 7. 3 raised to 8, 1. What you can see here, it is repeating 3971, 3971, 3971, 3971 like that. So if the question is about 3 raised to, let's say 43. So what is going to be your answer? It could be 3 raised to 43 divided by 10. What is the remainder? Or they will ask you last digit. Okay, or 13 raised to 43. 1 is not important. 113 raised to 43, not important. If you know this is the last digit. If you take this as remainder question, then you're in trouble actually, because nobody can directly connect it to that. Because I have taught you last digit to find that you just need last digit only. And remainder, that is going to be slightly difficult, right? What happened? You want me to go slow? Okay. Okay. So what I'm saying is, to find the last digit, only last digit is required. So 3 raised to 43 divided by 10. What I need to do, take the power, 43. Here also I need to divide by 4. Why? Power cycle of 3 is also 4. You see, these are the 4 possibilities. 2 also, there are 4 possibilities. Power cycle of 2 is 4. Here also it is 4. So we divide by 4. What is the remainder? 1. When 1 is a remainder, what you will do? 2 raised. Now there it was 2 raised to 1. Here it is 3 raised to 1. What is that? 3. That means for 3 raised to 43 will come here in the top line. Why? Because you can see these are multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. So 3 raised to 42 will come here, which is going to be 1. And 3 raised to 43 will come here, which is going to be 3. So that will come in this series. You got it? How I'm going to get this? So it's so simple. It is so easy as well. Okay. Now that question which has been asked, 3 raised to 2019 divided by 10, what is the remainder? So it's an easy question. Once you know that this is the last digit, this is going to be the cakewalk, right? What you do? 2019 is the power. What you need to do? Divide by 4. See what is the remainder. What is the remainder? 3 is the remainder, because anyway, 19 by 4 is what you need to do. You don't want to do it completely. So 3 is the remainder. So what is going to be your answer? 3 raised to 3. What is 3 raised to 3? 27. What is the last digit? 7. So that is the remainder. What if they have given 13 raised to, then this looks difficult. But divided by 10 means last digit. To find the last digit, I just need only last digit. Then it made easy. Okay. If it is 113 raised to 2019, it is the same. 11, any number you add here doesn't matter for me. That's the most important point. Okay. Now I'll go for 4. I'll come back. 5 I've told it is 5. 6 I've told it is 6. 7. Let's look into 7. So what is 7 raised to 1? It is 7. 7 square, 49. So it is 9. 7 cube, it is 243. So it is 3. Okay. And then 7 raised to 4, 3 into 1, that 3 into 7, that is going to be 1. What are the possibilities? 7, 9, 3, 1. Now it will again, I don't want to write it completely again, that you can try. That's not my objective. This is just a mentoring program. I'm not going to do it everything completely. I've given the complete course to you and everything is available. The CSAT course and everything is over there. So you need to do that. This one, since it is asked last year and someone was asking me and I felt it is important, I'm discussing extensively. And some such topics will do that. But here I've shown 2. Now it is going to be difficult. Okay. So this is very clear. Here also the power cycle is 4. So let's suppose you are going to get a question. Suppose it is 7 raised to 2019. What you will do? You will take it as 2019, divide by 4. What is the remainder? 3. So it is going to be 7 raised to 3. That means 3. Answer is going to be 3. Easy. What if 7 raised to 123 or 124? Guys, now 124. So 124 divided by 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So now don't have a confusion. If remainder is 1, this. Remainder is 2, this. Remainder is 3, this. Remainder is 0 means this. So your answer is going to be this, 7 raised to 4. That's where you get the 0 remainder, right? It is going to be 1. Now there is no question. If remainder is 1, the first one. Remainder is 2, the second one. Remainder is 3, the third one. Remainder is 0, that is the fourth one, because that is a multiple of 4. That's why you don't have a remainder. Now the next one, 8. What are the powers, possibilities? 8 raised to 1, 8. 8 square, 64. So I'll go for 4. 8 cube, 4 into 8 is what you need to do actually. So 32, 2. 8 raised to 4. 2 into 8 is enough for you. That is 6. Now these are the 4 possibilities. Now it will repeat. You can try it. You can check it. So what are the possibilities? 8, 4, 2, 6. Now suppose they are asking you this question. 118 raised to 2013 divided by 10. What is the remainder? It looks very, very difficult. But see, it is divided by 10 remainder. For me, it's a last digit question. To find the last digit, I need the last digit of the, it doesn't matter now. It doesn't matter now. So the question I've reduced to 8 raised to 2013 last digit. So what I need to do for that? Take 2013, divide by 4. Why 4? Here also power cycle is 4. So in case of 2, in case of 3, in case of 7, in case of 8, take the power, divide by 4. Because in all cases, the power cycle is 4. Okay, now to divide by 4, I don't want this also. The 13 by 4, answer is going to be 1. So here, divide by 4, remainder is going to be 1. So your answer is going to be 8 raised to 1, that is 8. Perfect. So what we have done so far, 0, answer is 0 always. 1, answer is 1 always. 5, answer is 5 always. 6, answer is 6 always. They're not going to ask this. Just keep this in mind. Now we have discussed about 2, 3, 7, 8. And we have 4 possibility here, 4 possibility here, 4 possibility here, 4 possibility here. So what is the rule? Take power of the given number, divide by 4. Why? Because power cycle is 4 in each case. See what is the remainder. And your answer is, if the question is related to 2, 2 raised to remainder is going to be your answer. If it is related to 3, 3 raised to this remainder. If it is 7, 7 raised to remainder. If it is 8, 8 raised to remainder is your answer. So we have done with 0, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, 7, 8. What is left out? 4 and 9. Easiest. Again, what is 4 raised to 1? 4. 4 raised to 2? 6, 16, 6. What is 4 raised to 3? 6 into 4, 24, 4. 4 raised to 4, 6. 4 raised to 5, 4. 4 raised to 6, 6. So what you're getting? Only this 2. 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. Now again, look at the power. If the power is odd, your answer is always 4. If the power is even, your answer is always 6. So suppose I'm going to get 114, 734, 834, raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just for the sake of making it difficult. It looks so difficult, right? And then divide by 10, and what is the remainder? It's going to be so difficult. First, I understood divide by 10. So it is a last digit question. What I do, I don't care these, because last digit is what I need. So it's a 4 raised to this. Now I just need to know whether it is even or odd power. So I don't care even this also. It's an odd power. If it is odd power, answer for this question is going to be 4. Now, if it was ending in 8, answer for this question is going to be 6. It's over for me. Okay. Same case with 9. 9 raised to 1, 9. 9 square, 81, 1. 9 cube, 9. 9 raised to 4, 1. 9 raised to 5, 1. 9 raised to 6, 9 and 1. So, see here, if the power of 9 is odd, answer is 9. If the power is even, answer is 1 always. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer? Divided by 10. What is the remainder? So difficult and tough question it looks like. Divide by 10, last digit means last digit is what I'm looking for. So it doesn't matter what you're going to get here. So the question is 9 raised to this. Now what I need to know is, if it is 9 raised to this, whether the power is odd or even. Check this, 8. It is even. What is your answer? Answer is going to be 1. Now suppose they have given it up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then check the power. It is 9. It is odd. So what is your answer? 9. So let's suppose the question is 9 raised to 31. What is the answer? It is odd. Answer is 9. 9 raised to 45. Power is odd. So 9. 9 raised to 64. Power is even. So 1. 4 raised to 72. Power is even. So answer is 6. 4 raised to 84. Power is even. Answer is 6. 4 raised to 121. Power is odd. Answer is 4. Only 4 possibility, 4 and 6. In case of 4, only 2 possibility. In case of 9, also 1 and 9. Okay. So I hope that is clear. Now I'll repeat once more. 0, always end in 0. 1, end in 1. 5, ends in 5, whatever be the power. 6, ends in 6. Now comes 4 and 9. 4, only 2 possibility. That is 4 raised to 1, 4 raised to 2. So if it is, you see, power is odd. No confusion, odd. 4 raised to 1, 4. Power is even. 4 raised to 2, 6. That's it. So it is 4 and 6. Now 9, number ending in 9. So power is odd or even? Odd. That means 9 raised to 1. If it is even, 9 raised to 2. That's it. So 9 and 1. These are the 2 possibilities. The others, 2, 3, 7, 8. Mostly you are going to get questions from this. So here there are 4 possibilities, and those are that they're going to give you as the options. What you do, take out the power. Whatever be the power which is given, take that, divide by 4. Why? Power cycle is 4. See what is the remainder. Depends on the question. If it is 2, 2 raised to remainder. 3, 3 raised to remainder. 7, 7 raised to remainder. 8, 8 raised to remainder. That's it. That's done. Okay. So guys, now any questions? Or we will complete last 2 digits also, and then we will move to the question. Last 2 digits means what? A number divided by 100, the remainder. So last digit, number divided by 10, remainder. Now we're going to look for number divided by 100. This is, I'm expecting, since last year, this number divided by 10 remainder asked, last digit is asked. This year or next year, they can ask, or if you're preparing for SSC or something like that, divided by 100 remainder is what they can expect, or what they can ask, or what you can expect next year. That is nothing but last 2 digits. Okay, so